Hey, this is Alon. I'm going to show you how to do an assignment that's due Tuesday, the 30th of January, early China info question set 1. From the website, handy dandy calendar. Here we are, Alon's assignments. Today's the 26th. We have something to do then. If you click on more details, it'll bring you to your calendar. And from there, it'll pop up. You just have to click that link. It'll bring you right and open the assignment within Classroom, which I like better because with multiple links, it's easier to see what's all there. So here's your assignment where you have to write on it. Now it says 12 questions. Each student must write in their own document, but you are getting a partner. You will not be able to choose your partner. You will be able to choose if you want to work by yourself. However, if you want to work by yourself, then I won't include you in the list of people that I'm going to make random partners with. And then, like, if you mess up and can't get along with your partner, then too bad, you have to do it by yourself. All right. You must write in your own document. What you're doing with your partner is talking and saying, where do you find this information? What'd you get for this? And can you help me? But it shouldn't be identical, and you should definitely not just copy and paste what your partner put. It says try to use school English as best you can. I'm looking for students to use capital letters at the beginning of each sentence, a period, a punctuation at the end. Also, I'm looking for students to make each sentence a complete thought. So we got 12 questions. First says, what are the two rivers? 227. 227 is a page number. So it kind of is easier if you use the page numbers. There's a link on here, but it might not be the right link. So I'm going to show you how to change that in class. Just to make sure that you have the right link with the right page numbers, go back out here and click this one. Now, the reason I chose this link over the other one, which you might think looks exactly the same, is because it works with the TTS Reader. Some PDFs don't work with this extension and some do. So the correct resource should start with NSM blah, blah, blah. So it said 227, did it not? Yes, it did, Mr. Lalonde. This is not scrolling. 277. So the answer to the question 1, which is, what are the two rivers? The reason I took that out is so I could do Alt-Tab and switch back and forth quickly. Alt-Tab. What are the two rivers? Alt-Tab. Okay, here I am. I'm looking at this. I highlight it. I say, oh, it's somewhere here, somewhere. I don't know. I right-click, play selection.
Yellow River flows.
Then I'm going to open up this on the top thing where it's the megaphone for TTS Reader X in-page thingy, and then you can pause it. You can also make it bigger, and it'll show up yellow. Of course, you can change the speed and the voice.
Or Yellow River flows across China for more than 2,900 miles. 4,666 kilometers. It gets its name from the rich yellow soil that
So I like how it switches each line by line as it does that. You don't have to use this, but it's there for you. Good readers reread the same sentence over and over to get full comprehension. So just because you need to reread a paragraph or a sentence a couple times, maybe 3 times, doesn't mean that you're messing up, okay? Don't be so hard on yourself. People reread stuff. Good readers reread stuff. So the first answer to the questions here, sometimes it's highlighted. It's not always going to be gifted like that. Second question, 278. So looking for the page number. Hey, it scrolls now. 278. It's over here. Third question, fourth question. Fourth question, 278. From when to when did the Shang Dynasty exist? Sometimes it's in the text. Sometimes it's going to be in infographics, maps, charts, pictures. Hint, hint. Question 4. Yeah. And then it says, you do all these. Which dynasty came after the Shang and how did it start? Page 281. And then it says, strive for at least 5 sentences to this last one. So this last one is more of an essay question. 5 sentences, please. More I expect for this last one. 281, let's look for what dynasty came after the Shang. 281. So it's over here.